You know what this EMF stands for?
Electromagnetic field.
Empty my fridge. Because we've been here 3 days and you ate all the pie.
You mean you ate all the pie at 3 a.m. with your hands?
It was a spirit banishing ritual, emotional support calories.
Dean, EMF's spiking. There's something here.
Great. Probably haunting the last slice of pie. Sammy, it's the ghost of dessert past.
Dean, don't.
Not today, ghost pastry.
You just exercised the mini fridge.
And saved us from spoiled leftovers. You're welcome.
You owe me a new EMF reader.
Fine. As long as it beeps when there's pie.